Today I'll be showing one of the riffs from the very famous song Malagueña, which is one of the most difficult songs, I think, in the solo guitar canon. So it's this part. I'll show you the bass line first. Okay, that's all on the bottom two strings. That's the bass line on its own. Then adding some chords, and you're going between E major and A minor here. So in E major, and I'm usually just playing the G and B strings in the E major chord, alternating with the bass note. So, and then changing to A minor, again, with my fingers just doing upstrokes on the second and third strings, on the G and B strings. And again. It's a great challenge for both your right hand, keeping that going, that thumb going with the upstrokes, and the left hand also keeping your chord while you're doing those bass strings. The final thing, and most challenging, is to do it now with triplets. So doing your thumb, index, then middle. Again, just on the G and B strings as well as the low E string, like this for each note. And at speed. Just a great challenge and a very memorable riff. So, hope it's useful to you. Let me know any comments or questions you may have, and thanks for watching.